i-clarify yung sinabi niyo po kahapon. Medyo vague kasi sir. Sabi niyo may malaking kasong nakaabang on the SEA Games po na sports complex. So, wait lang sir. May possible po ba na na-identify na po kayo, nakakasuhan niyo?
Well, we just received information tungkol dun sa pangyayari dun sa PISCO, yung Philippine SEA Games Organizing Committee, no? And we in possession of documents already na meron talagang kailangan imbestigahan because there are a huge amount of money na na-involved dito. If you recall, there was no bidding na ginawa rito, tapos unliquidated, so marami na kailangan tignan. That's why I'm creating a unit ngayon, a task force na composed of our financial unit, financial investment unit, saka financial investigation unit, saka ang aming special action unit to investigate on the matter. We will coordinate with the SEC, the COA, and also we'll seek help of the BCDA para magkaroon ng clear dito. As we speak now, wala pa naman tayong sasabihin na na-identify, but there are already personalities na nakikita natin doon sa dokumento, sa initial na pumasok sa atin.
Okay, sir.
Sir, bakit, just for the record, bakit po may renewed interest po dito sa pag-imbestiga sa SEA Games? Although, field na siya ng controversies before, and, the head of FISGO was Alan Peter Cayetano.
Well, I'm aware of that. Is the chairman of PISCO, So, hindi naman to renewed interest. It so happen na may mga lumabas ngayon na dokumento which will lead us to investigate. Kasi lahat naman talaga ng issue na pumapasok dito with regards to corruption or anything, even ordinary cases, pag dinala sa amin, we will investigate. So, it so happen, this is medyo controversial, narinig ko naman yan, nakita ko yung mga news noon. So once and for all, we settled it kung meron ba talagang dapat managot o wala. Or kung ano talaga yung investigation. So, kailangan natin magkaroon ng report dito.
Sir, for the record lang, kasi di ba, you were saying yesterday na you have visited the place in Clark for the NBI Academy.
Yes,
so, this is incidental lang po sa pagbisita nyo, just for the record lang.
Incidental lang to kasi we are very thankful with BCD for providing us 70 hectares for our NBI Academy. At the same time, nakita natin doon yung sports complex na malaki. And sumunod dito, may mga pumasok nga sa atin na documents and informations that will lead us to come up with the investigation.
Sir, how can, of course, baka lang makulayan na naman ang politika kasi syempre, hindi kayo, parang lagi kayong nagbabangayan kasi ni Senator Cayetano. So, how can the public be assured na this will be an impartial investigation?
Unang-una, hindi naman ako nakikipagbangayan sa kanya. I'm always respectful to everybody, especially to the member of the Senate. It so happens siguro na siya involved dito, no? At tayo naman, ang record naman ng NBI, we'll always go where the evidence will lead us kung ano yung batas, kung ano yung proseso. No? So, kung sa kailangan natin siyang tanungin, we will respectfully ask him to give light to this. And I'm sure si Senator Alan, kung siya kasama rin dito, I'm sure that he will appreciate na may imbestigahan natin dito ng maayos.